Hi, this is Matt Norman with MarineMax Clearwater. Thank you for clicking on this 2021 Sea Ray SPX 210. I will give you a close-up walkthrough of this boat. She is powered with a Merc 154 stroke in a gorgeous Sea Ray blue hull side with a white bottom. Love the 210 because it's just a very versatile platform. She's Coast Guard rated for up to 12 people. Comes with the dual axle trailer with a swing fold-away tongue, so she's gonna fit into even a garage. So to have a boat that can carry this many people but still get into either smaller slips at restaurants, exploring shallow areas. She only draws 17 inches of water with the engine trimmed up, and is very easy to trailer. It's a rigged weight of 3,000 pounds. And as you see here, we got the sea deck on the aft swim platform, and Sea Ray produces this boat in a stern drive and an outboard setup, and the outboard is where it's at. You have the shallow water capability, the ease of use, quiet factor, a lot more storage, and look at still all this room on the swim platform. Boarding ladder off to the port side. We got a walk through here on the port side into the cockpit that just wraps around beautifully. So much comfortable seating on this boat. We're looking at cup holders and grab handles throughout. Then we have the ability to transform the sun pad to a lounger with backrest. And as we fold that in and lift this guy up, it reveals a monster dry storage compartment that's got dividers. So everybody's bag, big water toys, skimboard, wakeboard, ski. You have the ski pole here behind us. As we take a pan into the cockpit, we got the Fusion audio, stainless steel package, dual bucket seats, big monster ski locker under the floor here, nice diamond non-skid. You got a built-in removable igloo cooler to do sandwiches and food and pack that in the kitchen. And then you have a built-in fully finished insulated box. It can serve as a built-in cooler. You have storage under this hatch, under this seat, hidden finished carpeted storage. Both of these bucket seats will swivel, and they both have the ability to pick them up into bolsters so you can stand and run. As we move to the pilot seat, you have your side mount binnacle here, even a little armrest right here so you can be resting it as you grip the throttle. A tilt helm, which is great for if you're wanting to stand and run or adjusting to different driver heights. Got a center mount 5-inch Simrad screen that's going to give you all your cartography, and also some gauges for RPM and trim, fuel. You have your Bluetooth Fusion audio control right here. Some more lighting switching. Nice center walkthrough. A lot of room here to get in and out. You don't have to turn sideways, and obviously the center windshield will fold down. A lot of storage here in the side compartment. This is where I talk to guys about safety gear. Great spot for it, for getting life jackets all on board, out of the way. And she wouldn't be a Sea Ray without spacious bow seating. Again, grab handles, cup holders throughout, storage under these removable seats. And with the 21, it just gives you the length to stretch out here. I'm 5'9.5" and got plenty more distance to go. You got audio up here as well. You got your cleats, your anchor light. You even have a little step right here. So if you're beaching this boat, you can step up 1, 2, and then 3 onto the beach if you're gonna bow in. So take a look here. Again, you got the bimini that folds up. We're in the deployed section now, so you got great sun coverage or shade coverage for those days where the sun is fierce. Great multi-family boat. And again, you can see us here at MarineMax Clearwater. Again, I'm Matt Norman. Thank you so much for taking a quick look, close-up view at this Sea Ray SPX 210 outboard. And we will see you on the water.